Wednesday, July 3rd. Dad's got an airboat in the shop. Let's check in with him. Okay, so Dad has got the airboat in the shop, and what's going on today?
Well, once you get the tracks on that and out of here, that's the end of it for this season's Bombardiers.
Yeah.
I gotta concentrate on all Ducks equipment now.
Yeah.
Because they're... Hey, easy. Did you want to keep bombardiering?
Yeah, Dad.
Oh,
Nervous.
so anyway, I gotta get all their stuff up to snuff because they're all going out here. They're just getting their permits and stuff. Eh?
Okay. So what have you got to do here? You got to put that propeller on.
So the propeller's got to go. All the trailer is done.
Yeah. So this is the new propeller right here.
This is done. This is a new prop. So I'm going to weld a stand on here. So when they plug in that the wire, there's no way the wire can go down.
Okay.
And then I'm going to weld this on the edge so water can't get trapped in there.
Yeah.
And when they're not using this,
You just
drop it in there so they know where the hell it is.
Okay. Well, that's a really good idea.
And then somebody Mickey Mouse this.
Yeah.
So I got to
Remove it.
get a flat plate and a pipe.
Yeah.
And the tail end has to be long, so it's always down.
Yeah.
And then I'll bolt Teflon on it so when this comes up, it self-centers.
Okay. So
I got it all planned. It's just
Dad's moved the airboat into the shop so that it's a little easier when he's working in here, so he's not having to deal with extreme heat or rain.
yeah, rain is the big thing.
And he's got I think you have to remove the floor in here too, didn't you say?
No, I got to make a cover for those batteries.
Right, yeah.
You know, something half decent.
Okay.
And I got a little bit of wiring to do.
Mm-hmm.
But whatever is hooked up here now, like the lights and all that,
Yeah.
holy shit, are they bright.
Oh, well, that's good.
So
That's what they need is good lighting.
the boys are all happy and they're anxious to try this one. 'Cause
Yeah.
this new gang hasn't tried this one.
Okay.
But if I...
Are you going to do any work on this radiator and maybe try and straighten out the fins or no?
No, the fins are good. I'm just going to blow it out or pressure
Okay.
wash it so it's clean.
Yeah.
And this new gang has never used this one yet, so they're anxious to see how it goes.
Okay. So
But
Dad's got the wiring to do in here yet and whatnot, but so when Dad's not working on Bombardiers, there's always some work around here, but he's got these guys as a customer, and they sure like getting all this work done with Dad because Dad can.
they're on full warranty.
Yeah, yeah. So they when he's done with something, he calls them up. They come out and pick up the equipment and go
Test it.
and test it. And again, this is the new prop blade. This came in from the States somewhere, and the other old one I think was cracked, wasn't it? The old one.
This one comes from Florida,
Yeah.
and it calls for a 10 to 12 degree pitch. So I'm gonna set a maximum of 12,
Yeah.
and that should give them a lot of zip.
Okay.
This is the old one out here. I don't know if the boys seen it or not.
Can they get this to get resurfaced or reserviced or
I don't know. It's
a
wooden
throw in the?
prop, eh?
Okay.
And it cracked here.
Yeah.
But they might be able to send it back to the prop
Yeah.
and have it rebuilt, eh?
Yeah.
That damn prop is 5,600.
Yeah.
And then I got that rope to do.
What's on that one?
Well, trailer needs wheel bearings, some wiring, and
Okay.
a new deck inside. I don't
Well,
know if
let's
I showed
go
you.
take a look.
You look in here. This is all wrecked.
Yeah,
so
all
we're
rotten.
gonna take it all out, make one compartment,
Okay.
And then back here,
This
this one's broken.
Okay.
So we'll put a new one in.
What is that exactly?
That's a stand for the seat.
Oh, right. Okay.
And then I'll take these off and put a new plywood in there.
Yeah.
And then clean it up real good. We're going to sand this, paint it.
Okay.
A couple of heavy coats of good oil-based paint.
Yeah.
And then anti-skid it.
Okay. Did they want service on the engine at all, or?
Yeah. They took it and got it serviced, and whoever serviced it.
Did a half-ass job, or?
I'll show you here right away.
Dad hates having to service these things because.
They didn't. There's 3 plugs. There's a 3-cylinder.
Yeah.
And they didn't tighten the plugs good.
Yeah.
And this bottom one come out. So I take all this off to get in there and see if I can rethread the threads.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tap in and then start it up
Okay.
and test it out. This is all electronic, so
Yeah.
I can't really do anything other than make sure that it runs. So I got no way of testing the
Okay.
electronic.
Making the boys a new hitch.
For they're more behind the,
Oh, right.
the
Yeah.
side by side.
Yeah. Yeah.
They got a clevis on there, so it's just going like this all over. So no,
Well, they'll like that.
I'll paint this and
Okay.
they can go off to her.
So, Dad did quite a bit of cleaning here the other day. He and I spent the whole day cleaning up.
2 days.
2 days, really. But he's in chillax mode for at least a week. He's going to do whatever he wants. Gardening.
I'm not going to do whatever I want. I'm going to get caught up, and
Okay.
then I'm going to take a
Okay.
few days off.
Well, this is what he's getting caught up on. The cat's already supervising this job from the bow of the airboat. And the dogs are awfully nervous, and I've messaged Perky to give us a call because we got to get that Bombardier out because we need the space.
Yeah, I don't want it in here anyway.
So, okay, so that's it today, guys, and Dad's going to keep on working on what he's working on here until we get the other Bombardier out.